Students of 11th class, Assalamu alaikum. As you know, we have completed our first 10 chapters of Indian Constitution at work. Now we are going to recapitulate those 10 chapters by objective type questions. First part I posted on Tuesday. Now I am going to it is second part of objective type questions, which are as number 1, that is the first country to incorporate the provision of universal adult franchise in world was, its answer is New Zealand. Second, in Great Britain, the suffrage to women was granted in the year, answer is 1928. The single transferable vote system was first devised by, answer is Thomas Harry. Next question is, which system is used in the election of Indian president? Its answer is proportional representation. The chief election commissioner is appointed by, answer is President of India. Next question, election commissioner in India is appointed for a period of, answer is 6 years. Next question is, which is the drawback of Indian electoral system? Its answer is money power. Next question, which executes the laws? Answer is executive. Next question, the main function of the executive is, answer is maintenance of law and order. Next question, in which country the head of the executive is nominal? Its answer is, as we know, that is India. Next question, in which country the head of executive is real? Its answer is USA. In which country the plural executive is found? That is Switzerland. Next question, in which country the single executive is found? That is USA. Next, in which country parliamentary government exists? That is, we know so many countries, Germany, United Kingdom, Italy. Next, in which country presidential government exists? That is USA. Next, in which country semi-presidential system exists? That is Russia. Next, the president of India is head of the government, number 1. Number 2, head of the state. Number 3, head of the union territory. Number 4, none of these. Now choose your answer. The answer is head of the state. Next question, minimum age needed for the president is, that is 35 years. Answer. Next, the term of office of the Indian president is, answer is 5 years. Next question, the president of India is elected by, answer is the electoral college. Next, the salary of Indian president is 70,000 only. Next question, the 10th president of India was, that is K.R. Narayanan. Next question, the first president of India was, he was Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Next question, the president can be removed by impeachment by the parliament. its answer is by 2/3 majority of total members. Next question is, who was the Prime Minister after the election of 16th Lok Sabha? The answer is Shri Narendra Modi. Next question, the tenure of Prime Minister is? Answer is tenure of Prime Minister is that is not fixed. Its answer is not fixed. Next question, the President is not a member of any house. Next, the position of Indian President is like the Prime Minister of China. Next, the President can be removed by impeachment. Next, the Vice President presides over, that is Rajya Sabha. Next question, emergency due to failure of constitutional machinery of a state can be declared by the President under Article 356. Next question, who presides over the meetings of the Council of Ministers? Its answer is Speaker. Its answer Prime Minister. Prime Minister. Who presides over the meetings of the Council of Ministers? Its answer is Prime Minister. Next question, the Vice President is elected by, that is Parliament. Next question is, the Electoral College to elect the President of India comprises, there are four options. You have to select one. Number A, elected members of Parliament. B, elected members of state legislative assemblies. Number C, elected members of Parliament and state assemblies. Number D, none of these. Now get real one, correct one answer. The correct one answer is C, elected members of Parliament and state assemblies. Next question, who is to decide the election disputes concerning the President and the Vice President of India? The answer is the Supreme Court. Next question, who is the President of India this time? You should know it. The name of the President is Ramnath Kovind. Now next question is, the budget introduced in the Lok Sabha by Finance Minister. Next question, the Prime Minister presides over? Answer is Cabinet. The Cabinet is responsible to the? Answer is Parliament. The Prime Minister is appointed by the? Answer is President. By impeachment is removed? Answer is President. Next, who is the Commander-in-Chief of Indian Forces? Answer is President. Next question, the President can declare emergency in the country on external aggression or due to an armed rebellion under Article 352. Next question, who is the present Vice President of India? Now today, who is the Vice President of India? That is Venkaiah Naidu. Next question, the salary of Indian Vice President is 4 lakh. Next is, by whom is the governor appointed? Answer is President. Next, the salary of governor is 3,50,000. Next, minimum age for the governor should be 35 years. The governor is responsible to the President. Next, who can remove the governor? Answer is President. Ordinances issued by the governor or approved by the? Answer is state legislature. Next, who presides over the meetings of Council of Ministers? Answer is Chief Minister. Next, the Indian Parliament is? Answer is bicameral. The lower house of the Indian Parliament is known as? Answer is Lok Sabha. The upper house of Indian Parliament is known as? Answer is Rajya Sabha. The tenure of the members of Rajya Sabha is 6 years. The tenure of Lok Sabha in normal time is 5 years. Speaker is elected for a period of 5 years. After passage of the bill by the Parliament, the bill is sent to the President. What is the position of the Parliament? Answer is powers of the Parliament are limited. In June 2014, after the elections of 16th Lok Sabha, who was elected as the Speaker of Lok Sabha? Answer is Sumrita Mahajan. Next, the maximum number of elected members of Rajya Sabha is fixed at 240. Next, the maximum number of elected members of Lok Sabha is fixed at? Answer is 550. Next, who is the presiding officer of the Lok Sabha? Answer is Speaker. Who is the presiding officer of Rajya Sabha? Answer is Vice President. The budget is introduced in Lok Sabha by? Answer is Finance Minister. The sessions of Indian Parliament are held at least? Answer is twice a year. Answer is twice a year. How many members are nominated by the President in the Rajya Sabha? Answer is 12 members. How many members are nominated by the President in Lok Sabha? Answer is 2 members. The candidate contesting for Rajya Sabha should not be less than 30 years. The candidate contesting for Lok Sabha should not be less than? Answer is 25 years. A money bill passed by Lok Sabha can be delayed by Rajya Sabha for a maximum period of? Answer is 14 days. Cabinet is responsible to? Answer is Parliament. Who presides over the joint session of the Parliament? Answer is Speaker. The maximum strength of Legislative Assembly in a state can be? Answer is 500. Which state legislature is bicameral? There are so many states, but especially we can say there was also our state, Jammu and Kashmir was also, when it was state, it was also a bicameral legislature, 2 houses. Next, the tenure of the Legislative Assembly is 5 years. Next, the lower house of the state legislature is Legislative Assembly. The upper house of the state legislature is Legislative Council. After passage of the bill by the state legislature, the bill is sent to the? Answer is Governor. The tenure of members of the Legislative Council is? Answer is 6 years. The Legislative Assembly of Jammu and Kashmir consists of? Answer is 87 members present. There are 87 members. Next, who is the presiding officer of Legislative Assembly? Answer is Speaker. The candidate contesting for Legislative Assembly should not be less than? Answer is 25 years. The Legislative Assembly Council of Jammu and Kashmir consists of? Answer is 36. Now there is not Legislative Assembly Council after reorganization. Next, the tenure of the Legislative Assembly in Jammu and Kashmir consists of 6 years. Next, Supreme Court consists of one Chief Justice and answer is 30 other judges. Next question. The judges of Supreme Court of India retire at the age of answer is 65. Number of judges of Supreme Court is fixed by answer is Parliament. Next, Supreme Court sits at answer is Delhi. Next, salary of Chief Justice of India is answer is 2,80,000. Next, while appointing the judges of Supreme Court, it is obligatory for the President to consult the answer is Chief Justice of India. Next, whom does Supreme Court advise? Answer is President. Next, which is the origin of the Indian Constitution? Answer is Supreme Court. Next, the judges of Supreme Court are appointed by the answer is President. Judicial review power is with answer is both with Supreme Court and High Court. Next, in India, the power of judicial review is answer is constitutional. Next, in Golaknath case, the Supreme Court held that answer is Parliament could not amend fundamental rights. Next, the salaries of judges of the Supreme Court answer is can be reduced during financial emergency. Next, the judges of Supreme Court enjoy certain privileges and immunities. Next, the judges of Supreme Court take an oath of allegiance. Answer is to the Constitution. Next, next is the President can seek advice from Supreme Court on answer is question of law and fact. Next question is the Supreme Court of India acts as federal court when it deals with answer is interstate disputes. Next, when was first High Court of Jammu and Kashmir established? Its answer is 1928. Next, which article declares India a union of states? Answer is Article 1. Next, who said the Indian Constitution is neither purely federal nor unitary but a combination of both? Answer is D.D. Basu. Next, union list includes answer is 97 subjects. State list includes answer is 66 subjects. Next, current list includes 47 subjects. Next, in India, residuary powers are with answer is center. Next, guardian of Indian Federation is answer is the Supreme Court. Next question is it has 4 options. Which one of the following has its own constitution? Number 1 Haryana, number 2 Jammu and Kashmir, number 3 Orissa, number D Punjab. Its answer was Jammu and Kashmir. Now, before reorganization, Jammu Kashmir has its own constitution. Now there is only one constitution of Indian Constitution because of reorganization bill of, as you know, 5th August 2019. After that, there is only one constitution, that is Indian Constitution. Before that, there was our own constitution for Jammu and Kashmir. Next question is, which is not a feature of state list? There are 4 options: jails, agriculture, police, civil procedure. The right answer is civil procedure. Next, the union list contains subjects of, answer is national importance. Next, who makes law of concurrent list? Answer is both center and states. Next question, in a federation, bicameralism is necessary. Answer is to represent the states. Next, one of the following in the subject of union list. There are 4 options. You have to choose right one. Irrigation, land and revenue, law and order, defense. That right answer is defense. At present, Indian Federation has the following number of states. 4 options: 22, 24, 23, 29. The right answer is 29. Next question is union territories in the Indian Union are, its answer is 7. Now there are 8, 9. There are 9. That is that one is Jammu and Kashmir, and second is Ladakh. Next, the present union list consists of 97 subjects. Panchayats have been established in villages. Answer. Next, according to 73rd Amendment, the tenure of panchayats in all states is, answer is 5 years. Next, 1/3 of the total number of seats of panchayats are reserved for, right answer is women. Now there are 4 options. Which of the following is not an institution of rural local government? One answer is panchayats, second is Zilla Parishad, third is municipal corporation, and fourth is Gram Sabha. Now choose right answer. The right answer is municipal corporation. Next, which rural local government system exists in J&K? There was existing one tier system. Now what will happen next? That is secondary question. Next, which of following is not an significance of Panchayat Raj? Now there are 4 options. You have to choose right one. People's Raj, self-confidence, communalism, rapid development of rural life. Now right answer is communalism. Next, the first municipal body was set up in India during the British regime at, the answer is Madras. Now today we are speaking it Madras is now Chennai. Next, what is the aim of local government? Answer is to establishment of democracy. Next question is, which is the institution of urban local government? Answer is municipal committee. Next question, 73rd constitutional amendment belongs to? Answer is Panchayat Raj institutions. 74th constitutional amendment belongs to? Right answer is urban local government. Next, supreme organ of urban local government is? Answer is municipal corporation. Next, when panchayats elections were held in J&K? Panchayat elections were held in J&K in 2011. This is answer. Next, what is the tenure of Gram Panchayat? Answer is 5 years. What is the supreme unit of Panchayat Raj? Answer is Zilla Parishad. What is the tenure of Zilla Parishad? Answer is 5 years. What is tenure of Panchayat Samiti? Answer is 5 years. Main functions of Panchayat Samitis are, answer is control over panchayats. Next answer is to encourage domestic industries. Next answer is management of cooperative committees. Next question, importance of Panchayat Raj are, number 1, rule of people, number 2, direct democracy, number 3, self-reliance. Those are importances of Panchayat Raj. Question is, preamble of Indian Constitution begins with words. Answer is we the people of India. Next, which amendment of the Constitution added the words socialist and secular in the preamble? That is, answer is 42nd Amendment. Next, what is the meaning of with the people of India? Answer is that the ultimate sovereignty is vested with the people. Next, which question is, who called preamble political horoscope? Answer is K.M. Munshi. Next, last question is, objective of the Constitution is, answer is justice, number 2, liberty, number 3, equality. Those were some objective questions through which we recapitulate our 10 chapters. Now, after we are going to our second part of the political science, that is political theory. Now we are going to start our next 10 chapters. Next 10 chapters are of political theory.